What's going on YouTube? Eric JP's back with a brand new review video. Today we are going to be taking a look at these Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s. But before we do that, if you guys haven't checked out any of my other videos, please do so. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and definitely hit that notification bell so it does notify you every single time that I do upload a video. A lot been going on here recently. Lots of releases been coming out, different types, whether it be performance sneakers, Jordans, whatever it may be, and lots of things coming up very, very soon on the radar. I'm very excited for those Jordan 3 UNCs on March 7th. That's probably the next pickup or shoe that I will definitely be going after. If you guys didn't know this or weren't aware of this, I write basketball performance reviews on obviously basketball sneakers and apparel and things like that for Sneakers Detroit. I will leave their website and a link to one of my reviews in the description box below. And also give me a follow on Instagram if you want to. My Instagram username is the exact same as my YouTube channel name, so you can find me over on Instagram very, very easy as well. But with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and check out these Jordan 1s. These did release today. As I said, these are the Jordan 1 Pine Greens, or I'm going to call them the Pine Green 2.0s. They did come in a standard, just regular Jordan 1 box. Sizing, color code, all that good stuff. I went with my regular 11.5. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, pine green, white, gem red. And retail on these was $170. So as we all know, Jordan 1s have went up to $170 on their retail price, where it used to always be $160. So go ahead and pop the top. And here is the actual shoe, the Jordan 1 Pine Green, as I am calling them, 2.0. So let me get the other shoe out and talk about these guys just a little bit. So I was actually really excited to get to pick these up. From the time basically I saw that they were going to be releasing, or initial images, I actually really wanted a pair. This is the other shoe here. This is the right shoe. I'll go over both with you guys, but the leather material on the upper and the color blocking is fine with me. I will say that the black area is a little different than what I would say we're kind of used to. It's a little different feeling leather on the actual black sections, but it's still decent leather. It's very soft. The toe box is very soft, as you can see here. Obviously, you have that green Nike check or Nike swoosh. The Wings logo is a little bit different. It's almost like, I don't know, holographic or something, so to speak, but it is in all black. The lettering, everything is in all black. We'll go over the tongue here in a minute, but I wish they kind of would have outlined this in red or something like that. I think it would have made it look a little bit better, or overall maybe stand out or popped out just a little bit. Here's the inside. You obviously have that green check on the inside as well. Standard nylon tongue that comes on, you know, your Jordan 1s, and then on the top you do have black tab here, and it's a very nice soft tab as well, with Nike Air in red on there. So that is the hint that I'm talking about. A lot of people are not liking this red Nike Air feature on the top of the shoe. I actually don't mind it, but the one thing that I do think is a little bit goofy about it is that's the only part of the shoe really where there is any red, except for the spare laces that come with them. But at the same time, I think that's where I was saying earlier, I think it would have been cool if they would have outlined this in red. Maybe that would have made the shoe pop just a little bit more. Going over the left shoe, everything's the exact same from the left shoe to the right shoe. Obviously, as I said, you can see your set of extra spare laces here, which are red. The standard laces are black that do come with the actual shoes, as you can see here. And then on the inside, you're going to have Nike Air in red. So that is the only other place, I guess we can say, that there is red on the actual sneaker is on the insole and then on the tongue. So the most visible place at all times is going to be on the tongue. And then obviously inside you do have that red, so I don't want to sound like the only place where I said the only place that red is on the shoe or visible is the tongue. I guess technically it is on the insole as well. But I would definitely be switching out, I would say, to the red laces. Let me know in the comment section below which laces you guys think overall would look better. Do you think the standard black laces would look better, or do you think switching them out to the red laces would make the shoe look even better? But let me also know in the comment section below, did you go after a pair? Did you pick up a pair? Was these a complete drop, or you're just on to the next one and didn't care anything about these? Just let me know what you think of the Jordan 1 Pine Green 2.0s in the comment section below. But I do want to thank you guys for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I thank everyone for all your support, and as always, we'll be back very, very soon with some more sneakers. Peace.